How to delete Instagram account 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete Instagram account 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to Instagram, and then from in there just click on these three lines up here, click on settings and privacy, and you can see the search bar right here. So in here, let's search for deletion. So here it is right here. Just click on it. And once you're in there, this will redirect you to this page. So you can just choose the account that you want to delete. So for me, I will delete this account right here. Then you can choose this delete your account. So deleting your account is permanent. If you delete your Instagram account, all of the things that you have will be permanently removed. So click on continue right here and choose the reason why you are deleting Instagram. So just click on that right here and click on continue, and you can now enter in here your password in order to successfully delete your account. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete account on Instagram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.